switched power supply, SMPS, or switcher, is an electronic power supply that incorporates a switching regulator to convert electrical power efficiently. Like other power supplies, an SMPS transfers power from a DC or AC source, often mains power, to DC loads, such as a personal computer, while converting voltage and current characteristics. Unlike a linear power supply, the pass transistor of a switching mode supply continually switches between low dissipation, full on and full off states, and spends very little time in the high dissipation transitions, which minimizes wasted energy. Ideally, a switched mode power supply dissipates no power. Voltage regulation is achieved by varying the ratio of on to off time. In contrast, a linear power supply regulates the output voltage by continually dissipating power in the pass transistor. This higher power conversion efficiency is an important advantage of a switched mode power supply. Switched mode power supplies may also be substantially smaller and lighter than a linear supply due to the smaller transformer size and weight. Switching regulators are used as replacements for linear regulators when higher efficiency, smaller size or lighter weight are required. They are, however, more complicated. Their switching currents can cause electrical noise problems if not carefully suppressed, and simple designs may have a poor power factor. A. Input ME filtering and bridge rectifier. B. Input filter capacitors. Between B and C, primary side heatsink. C. Transformer. Between C and D, secondary side heatsink. D. Output filter coil. E. Output filter capacitors. The coil and large yellow capacitor below E are additional input filtering components that are mounted directly on the power input connector and are not part of the main circuit board.